shit. My Louis I lost has returned from the pound. Syndergaard in our yeah, we don't got a place to go, but it's okay. We're gonna do you guys a reading. That's all we got. That's all we need. That's all. They got let's do this. Yeah, living in this warm field. You're fine. It's a good message for you. You can feel it. You're doing good. You are doing good. So, you know? Let's see what we got. The shit that you're going with is the page of sword. Page of wands. Page of months, the page of wands. While your environment does not have to strive to continue with you. People around you are weak. You're dealing with a fucked up video. The most of the strength is in marital economy. You're dealing with a lot of weak motherfuckers. You know, you're having a passionate beginning. You don't got the support. You don't see the lack of passion that's going around you. Maybe another way of saying this, you don't see it. Get your head out of the clouds. What the divine wants you to do, have a better going on your finance. Be a freaking King of Pentacles. Straight up. Unless you're already there and you're financially cool. Even though your environment is not that. I also suggest that 7 of Pentacles. Focus on your work. If your environment's weak right now, it's not there. Focus on the work that you can do. Take your time. Okay? 4 wands. So maintaining the home is going to be essential. Maintaining the home is going to be essential. You're almost there. Or maybe honestly, that's going to be the next thing. Is maintaining your living situation, your home. 4 wands is home, right? Yes. It's 4 muskets. We're doing my life. Fuck it, fall out. Oh, you can't even see it. You know it, man. So have a long view plan. Once you focus on your home, you can start a long view planning. You can light a fire. Don't be in such a defense and ready to be in the goddamn war. So 3, 4, 5. Oh, you gotta look at this shit. It's 3, 4, 5 in this bitch, and it's all wands. You know, even though the spread's different, but it's 3, 4, 5. That's fucking dope. What's new is coming to your life is. I hope I picked that wrong. I know I'm living. You're gonna have a major hit with the 9 of Cups in reverse. With that coming new to your life, what would is that right? That's weird. A fiery bitch will help you out. We're talking about a Queen of Wands in reverse. So pretty much a pissed off, bitchy, all about themselves selfishly. I don't know if you got to be that, or you know who I'm talking about. The person you don't want to fuck with will be helpful in this situation of maintaining your home, of long view planning, of maintaining your position at King of Pentacles, or manifesting your finances and helping you work. But she is a bitch, very selfish. That's a double-edged sword right there. But the 9 of muskets will come against you. And it's a 3 of land, and this ends in 3 cups in reverse. So don't party. Don't get faded. At the bottom of the deck is Ace of Pentacles. Money is on the mind. Let's go ahead and break this down. I'm gonna get 5 minutes. Oh shit. Actually, I explained that part. I don't need to read it. But one thing I'll say is your environment. Let me go ahead and break down your environment. Strong often has to fight his more primal urges, such as eating those around him or using violence to solve any problem. You may be similarly tempted to use your strength for typical ends, abusing those you hold power over. Now that this domation will only lead to ruin, or this power will only lead to ruin. Alternatively, alternative, this card may indicate that someone is using their power to dominate you. How can you break free from their control? That is your environment. Kind of rough. And I'm going to read another thing. And when you're failing to see, this is the part's important. Okay? You're failing to see this. You have become empty to passions, like a musket out of bullets. This may be due to lack of inspiration or an outside force. This discontent may lead to delay on new projects or halt in current endeavors. Take time to reload before continuing. All right. Um, hold on. The This is the mental mind state you need to be in during this. You may take some blows, but you're known as a peasant. Be a king. The king of this, the king is an industrialist and generous man, wise of all matters of business. He shelters his loved ones, protect them from trouble, and aid the endeavor. This card also indicates a successful outcome of an adventure. That this disruptive, chaotic environment and you're like a passion that you have should not be the question. You feel me? Like it's going to come together for you, but make sure it's for you, right? So the main focus on all this, be real. I say it says three. It comes in the verse. Don't party, man. Don't party. Don't party with that broken environment. You're not trying to move on. You're trying to move on. Okay. Um, I think that's it. That's, honestly, that's the only message I have for you right now. Yeah, use your brain. Peace. That's really it. Yeah, man. Have a good day. Look at that. 3, 4, 5. That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy ass reading. Oh, wow.